Hey guys, it's Toys and Gymnastics reviews, and today we have shopkins. Okay, as you can see, my sister's coming right now, but she's in the bathroom, and here she comes. Okay, so here we have some shopkins. Oh yeah, and her brother might interrupt. We'll just get him out. Yeah, ignore the noise. And if he's crying, just ignore it. Okay, so we have shopkins. I'm just kidding.
We already opened them.
Yes, I know, but we have a surprise. But first, I was gonna say, but first, let me take a selfie. So these are season 2. Some are season 2.
Some are season 3.
Because I don't know why, but some had season 2, season 1. No, see, this is season 2. Look at season 2. As you can see, season 2. And I don't know how, but some are season 1, season 3. And when we open it, I'm like, what? So as you can see, we got Olivia, Mama, Vicky Queen, ice cream drink, okay, that's enough. Okay, so I'm gonna go get something. Okay, so guess what we have? Shopkin fridge. Look at this, is awesome. Awesome, absolutely fantastic. And very sorry for the noise. So as you can see, it comes with, wait, where is it? Where does it say? Oh yeah, right here. I'm sorry, I'm like blind. Very sorry for the noise. Here it says, oh, sorry for the glare. Here it says 2 exclusive shopkins. So, 2 shopkins. And 6 mini shopkins. They're so cute. They're like eggs. And here there's, can you see it? There's like a bottom shelf. And it says push and pop. What does it say? Oh, push and pop drop. Sorry, because my screen is backwards, so. And it comes with stickers. And this is it, like, kind of out of the box. And let's go to the back. And here's the screen. And so, I don't know how come, I don't know why, but these are white. And these are black. No, they're like brown.
Sorry for their brother.
Yes, he keeps getting in. And I'm like, brother. I mean, I don't have a brother, but okay. So you can store up to 25 shopkins. And it says again, 2 exclusive shopkins. And this is just great. So let's go ahead and open it. Okay guys, so we opened most of the things. We got the fridge out. I just can't wait to, put these in my hand. We got the fridge out, and you can see the little strings. There's like strings. We're just gonna do that really quick, and because we didn't want that really fast video to be super long, even though it's super fast. Sorry, mic off. Sorry, from just cutting off these strings. Yeah, we're gonna do that in the next video. Okay, so yeah. Oh, Emma. So here's some stickers. the review that comes like with this shopkin in the beach. There's a glare, so like this time I can't go like this because you know with the shopkins, if there's a glare, and you know you can just go like this. Oops, like this, and you can see it better. But I can't go like. Oops, this is like backwards, so I can't go like this. So we're just gonna show these really quick. And we're gonna like review all of them in the next video.
Yeah.
I mean not next video because it's gonna be all together because I'm gonna edit it and all that. So yes, I really like this too. Okay. Alright. So let's do this. Let's do this.
Fans, if you didn't know what Gymkins mean, that means we love gymnastics and shopkins, and
So like we're like our gymkin.
yeah.
Gymnastics. So here we have the fridge. It's at the Okay, so let's start from this side. So as you can see, this thing can move. You are the examples.
Yeah, these eggs are very, very wobbly. Here, I'm gonna redo them because they're very, very wobbly.
Well, should we do
Yes.
that? We'll just we're gonna show all our shopkins that like we put in here. So here we have the spaghetti. These are these three are season 3. These 3 are season 3. So I don't know the names because I only know season 2, some of them. Sorry. So sometimes we just make up the names if you see our shopkin review. Or I don't think I uploaded it. And I think this is like super duper cute. As you can see, look at it's like so cute. And then we have soda. Wow, look at that soda. It's so cute.
It says soda on it.
It says soda, so on the front. So sweet. Let me put it like this. Wait. Soda. You see? Oh, it looks like it says cereal. But she's so cute. So let's put that back. And then, let's show the eggs again.
Yeah. So here, let's try it one more time. Boop.
They have like all different kind of smiles.
Yeah.
So like there's giggles, there's like sad.
Yeah, and there's this.
Yeah, it's like ooh.
Okay, let's move on to this side. And we have boohoo onion and Bart beans here, both green, like a lightish green. And then we'll go down here, which is nutty chocolate, pretzel, and ice cream green. And they're both, and they're near the temperature thingy.
Yeah, here, let's go into the bottom. Here there's like, this is like the freezer. I don't know what the freezer, I don't know why it should be on the top because normally the refrigerator, you know that, the freezer is on the top. So here it shows the freezer thing.
And it shows like a little like ice snow.
Yeah, and then here it's just like this is for regular types of food. So this is the freezer and this is like for regular, but still keeps it cold. And let's go down here. Sorry if it's kind of
margarine, cheesy, and cauliflower here. Sorry if they like tip over, because we don't want to knock them down here. I'll show you.
Go like this for the banana.
See? And then I'm gonna take them all out because they're like squished in there. So, cheese, and she has like a little what?
If you ever seen Inside Out, then
Yeah, she's like kind of disgust.
yeah. She's like Joy.
Margarine. Okay, now I'm gonna put them in here.
Now I'll do the bottom. Wait, I'll take the bottom. Well, the bottom. I'll do it. And here, there's just like little designs.
Yeah.
So. Dun, 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 Wow.
So many shopkins.
The gingerbread here.
And we have
Nudie
a final thing.
Yes.
That it's like a kind of really cool song. So that's like a surprise.
Coolio, we don't know if he's like detergent or water.
Yeah. Can
But
you
if he's
comment
water,
down below?
Yeah.
You can get a possible shout out.
yes.
You
No,
know-
not possible. We'll definitely do it for
Yeah.
your help. So we might do 2 shout outs. Like, let's
Yeah.
say, I don't know, I love Wrecking Barbie. So, like, if she answers our question, she can get 2 shout outs.
And if Cookie Soul C answers our shout out, we'll give her like 5 shout outs.
Yeah,
Love
because
her.
we love her. So, I put this here because I think it's water.
We promise you, we'll give you a shout out if you tell us
Nutty
what
Buddy.
that is.
Yes.
Here, I'm gonna
I forgot.
take a
What's this one named? I forgot.
Cocoa Nutty.
Yeah, Coconutty. I was going to say Nudie chocolate. Okay.
You know the ones that are really
Cute. And my sister's gonna show the pop and drop. So
Okay.
let's like here. I have very little food.
Well, not little, because it's like tender food.
Why is it so blurry?
Sorry if it's so blurry, guys.
Oh, wait, let me like go like this.
It's still blurry. That's weird. Okay.
But-
anyways, let's just show this. This
Quick.
is,
We have which one is that one?
this is the 1D washer. I know it's not supposed to go in here, but you know what? We'll put Brenda blender.
Yes, Brenda blender.
Okay, so we're just gonna put it in here. You know, nothing's gonna really happen. We're just gonna do this. You know. Okay, let's just put Brenda blender.
So you have to put her there,
And
and
then
you close it, and then you just push this. Here, you can push it. Wait, you can push it, as you can see, and she
and then
comes.
yeah, and then you have a smoothie. So you can put like
So here,
oh sorry.
so here is where it pushes down, where the cup like pushes down, and the cup like pushes down, and that's how it falls out, because it's on this thing, and then when you push it, that's how it falls out. So bye guys.
Bye.
This is I'm sorry because it's really blurry. Like close up, it's not that blurry. So there you see. Here, these are all the shoppings that are not food, even though that's have food.
And we'll show you like one last glimpse of it.
Yes, gotta go close. And just the back. It doesn't. Oh, we forgot to take this off. It's okay. Bye guys, and see you in the next video for sure. It's gonna be gymnastics
For sure.
For sure.
Bye bye.
So bye bye. Sorry, because I'm like recording.